Hello students, today we shall learn something more about another type of words. There are some words in language, we call them naming words or nouns. There are some other type of words in grammar and language we call describing words or adjectives in grammar. Now, look at these sentences. Ramesh is a rich man. Ramesh is a name of a person, is a man. What type of man? Rich man. Man is a common noun, name. Rich describes something about the word name. Rich word, the word rich adds to the meaning of the word name. Name is a noun, rich is a describing word. Second sentence, that is a black ship. That is a black ship. Ship is a name, the word black describes, says something more about it. Black ship. Next, there is a big tree near the bridge. There is a big tree. Tree is a name, noun. Big says something more about the word tree. Big tree near the bridge. There are 4 legs of a goat. Legs is a noun. 4 says something more about number of legs. So 4 is the describing word. A fisherman was sailing a small boat. Boat is a noun, naming word. The word small describes boat, says something more about boat. What type of boat? A small boat. The word small says something more about the word boat. Boat is a name, small is a describing word. The rose is a lovely flower. Flower is a naming word. Lovely is a describing word. The word lovely says something more about flower. How flower? What type of flower? Lovely flower. So flower is a naming word or noun. Lovely is a describing word. An elephant is a big and fat animal. Animal is a naming word, noun. Big and fat, there are 2 describing words in this sentence. So big is a describing word, also fat is a describing word. What type of animal? Big animal. How big? Big and fat. Ashoka was a great and wise king. Similarly, here, king is a naming word, noun. Great and wise. Great is a describing word. Wise is also a describing word. Thus, there are 2 describing words. They describes or say something more about the word king. King is a naming word, common noun. Ashoka is the name of a person, proper noun. Thus, the words which describe some persons, places, or things. That is the names of persons, places, or things. They are called adjectives in grammar. We call this type of words as describing words the adjectives. Now, all describing words are called adjectives. All describing words can be used as adjectives, adding to the meaning of some nouns. Adjectives, that is describing words, almost always come before the noun they describe. Here we have seen that rich, the adjective, comes before the noun man, black comes before the noun sheep, big comes before the noun tree, 4 legs comes before the noun, 4 comes before the noun legs, small describing word comes before the noun boat, lovely, the describing word, comes before the noun flower, big and fat. These describing words come before the noun animal they describe. Great and wise, the describing words come before the noun king they describe. Thus, the adjectives or describing words almost always come before the nouns or naming words which they describe. That is, an adjective is always followed by the noun which it describes. So the adjectives is always followed by the noun which it describes. So if there is no adjective, if there is no noun followed by adjective, the word may be of another type also. For example, there is a red flower on a rose plant. Red flower. Red is a describing word. Flower is the word described by red, the name. So red is followed by flower. Red flower. What type of flower? Red flower. So here the word red is used as a describing word. Now, suppose we have another sentence as red color. If we say red color, it will be an adjective. Red is one of the 7 colors of rainbow. What is one of the 7 colors of rainbow? Red. Red is one of the 7 colors of rainbow. Now here red is used as one type of color. It is not adding to the meaning of something else. It stands for one type of color. Thus, red is the name of a color. Thus, red is a naming word. But red color of the flower, red beak of a parrot, red crayon of the color box, all these words, red, when followed by other naming words, they act as describing word. Red, what type of color? Red color. But when red or any other color stands alone as a name of the color, it is a naming word. So one word can be used in more than one ways, for example, naming word or describing word, like that. So these are the points that we should take into consideration. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun, adds something, gives some more information or more description about a noun. So an adjective is always connected with a noun. So these points should be considered, should be kept in mind, that an adjective is a describing word. An adjective is always followed by the noun it describes. An adjective adds to the meaning of a noun. There are some more examples of adjectives like rich, poor, brown, black, poor, all figures when followed by some names. These figures are taken as adjectives: high, tall, good, bad, smart. These are all adjectives. Dry, wet, deep, hot, cold, sweet, great, kind, blind, happy, heavy, enough, rough, etc. Now, if you observe, we find some adjectives which are in meaning opposite to one another or each other. For example, black and white. Black is an adjective. Black shoe, black ship. Black and white. White is also an adjective, name of a color. White shoe, white ship. Hot and cold. Hot is an adjective. Hot tea, hot water, hot day. Cold is also an adjective. Cold wind, cold night, cold water, like that. Some adjectives have opposite meanings. For example, happy, unhappy, heavy, light. Thus, adjectives are the words which describe or give some more information about names in a sentence. Adjectives always come before names or nouns they describe. Thus, they are always followed by names. There are many types of adjectives. We shall discuss about the types of adjectives in next lecture. Till then, thank you.